Alright, now the recently launched Samsung Galaxy 8 series come with Bluetooth and LTE options. And deciding between Bluetooth and LTE models in Samsung or any other branded watches is not an easy decision, as they come with their own pros and cons. So I thought, why not make a quick video about this and help you decide which watch should you pick. Should you go for Bluetooth or the LTE variant? Now, first, let's understand what is a Bluetooth variant and what is an LTE variant. In simple terms, the Bluetooth variant always requires your phone to be connected through Bluetooth to receive notifications, make calls, and to sync the health-centric data with the Galaxy Health application on the phone. The phone needs to be within 10 meters distance, beyond which it will get disconnected and stops receiving the notification, and it becomes a standalone watch. Now, when it comes to the LTE variant, we can add an eSIM on the watch with the same contact number which you are using on the phone, or maybe you can add a different number as well. And by having an eSIM on the watch, it independently receives the network signals, receives notifications, we can make calls and receive calls, and all this without having to connect the watch to the phone. Which means your watch does not require your phone to be connected through Bluetooth for any cellular connectivity. However, to sync the health-centric data, you need to connect the phone with the watch. Now, should you pick the Bluetooth variant or LTE variant? This depends on your needs and requirements. However, let me tell you the pros and cons here. If you are someone who leaves your phone at home and goes out on cycling, trekking, walking, etc. without carrying your phone, then the LTE variant will be very useful. You can make calls, receive texts, reply to it, all without your phone, as the watch itself acts as a phone. And obviously, this is for a short period. We can't really use this as a mainstream cellular device. We will obviously have to get back to the phone soon after, because many of us may not be comfortable using the tiny screen to send long text by typing on the tiny keyboard. So for a temporary usage, it is good to have LTE when you are outdoors without your phone. And here is something important to note. The disadvantage here is the reduced battery performance. Yes, the LTE watches tend to consume more battery, especially when you are on the move, as there will be network fluctuations. Like the phone, the watch needs more juice to fetch the network constantly. So yes, the battery life will be a few hours lesser on the LTE watches. However, we can turn off the LTE feature whenever we have phone with us and turn it back on when we need it. And we can also set to auto connect network on the watch. But end of the day, the LTE variant does consume more battery compared to a Bluetooth variant. Now coming to the Bluetooth variant. Obviously, here the battery performance will be better. And if you are someone who don't move anywhere without leaving your phone, then you just need a Bluetooth variant. You can receive notifications, make calls without touching your phone. If you have connected your wireless earbuds to your watch, you don't need to use the onboard speaker and mic on the watch for calls. This is on both Bluetooth and LTE variant. Having only Bluetooth variant may be a disadvantage for people who are on the move without their cell phones during some parts of the day. Carrying your phone for outdoor activities is not that comfortable, so if you are into something like that, then LTE suits you very well. These are some points you need to keep in mind while you buy a Samsung Galaxy watch or any other watch which offers both LTE and Bluetooth variants. Now if you ask me, I have always been a Bluetooth variant user since I started using a Galaxy smartwatch, as I carry my mobile phone everywhere and I don't really prefer making calls or replying to texts on the watch. I use it just to check the text notifications or call notifications without having to unlock the phone. So that's quite handy, and I have been using the Bluetooth variant, but after the Galaxy Watch 7 series launch, I went for the LTE variant, the LTE Watch Ultra. Whenever I go out for a brief period, like for the gym in the morning, which is for about an hour, I don't really take my phone. If there is any emergency, any calls or messages will land directly on my watch. So now I'm kind of getting used to the LTE variant. And yeah, one more slight disadvantage with the LTE variant is the updates. The software updates usually arrives on the Bluetooth variants first, a few weeks or months later for the LTE variants. So if you prefer getting the updates on time, then Bluetooth variant could be the one for you. Now I have already pre-ordered the Galaxy watches, the Galaxy Watch 8 series. As soon as the watches arrive, I will be posting tons of contents about them, contents on key differences, which watch should you be buying, the battery performance, the One UI Watch 8 features, all the health-centric features. There will be tons of contents on the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and I'll also make a comparison video between the Galaxy Watch 8 series and the Watch 7 series, maybe Watch 8 Classic and Watch 7 Ultra, or the regular Galaxy watches. So stay tuned for those contents, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your Galaxy watches and Galaxy phones better. And do not forget to hit that like button. Your likes will make this video reach more people, so go ahead, hit the like button, and do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some amazing collections of wallpapers for your phone, both free and premium. The download link for Wallverse wallpaper app is in the description. Go ahead and download the app and check it out. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.